Hi, it's me!
Hello, beautiful people of the internet. It's me and I am alive. Today I'm gonna just show you some cacti which decided to put out some buds, and I'm very excited. So let's do it. So first off is Astrophytum myrostigma. There is a little new bud coming. I'm very excited. Next one is, oh gosh, this one is so hard to read. If anyone can read this style, please let me know what that is. It is some kind of Astrophytum, and it's setting bud for me, and I'm really excited. It's not a bud, but look who decided to grow. Isn't that amazing? This is the first time I actually succeed, and look at this beauty here. So I didn't water these since, I don't know, 6 months, and they are on my balcony with around 6-7 Celsius all the time. So I wonder if I can show you this one inside if I increase some. Yeah, and I'm happy I could grow them. Stenocactus multicostatus. I don't know if you remember, but I showed you this one that I actually found at IKEA, and I just had to have it. If you know, there's always space for one more. Can you see the buds? Look at these tiny buds. I was so shocked and so happy. So happy. And there are buds everywhere. I don't know if you can spot all of them, but they are everywhere. So that's exciting. And I have one more. Ouch. Even more buds on this one. So let me count this maybe. So how many we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Wow, if all 12 will flower, that will be amazing. Wow. So I don't know, they are setting buds, but I still didn't water them. And I see a little bit of new growth here, but I still did not do anything. So this is how you grow cacti. Give them winter rest and you will be amazed what they can do for you. I'm kind of loving it. This huge baby we got last year in the summer. It was half off, I think, and it's kind of, it has new growth definitely, but also let me see if I can point it out here. I think these are buds. I think this one old buds, but over here we have more, and over here, yeah, over here. Look at my lemon balm. I'm gonna make some oil. And then we have another ferrocactus, Latispinus. I think this is the one which got buds in the beginning of the winter, and the buds are growing now, quite huge. So I'm very pleased. I'm loving it. And this will be it for this time. Also, there's one more plant which actually flowered all winter, and it's my beautiful rosemary. I don't get it. It's flowering all the time. It's really beautiful. You can see how much it has flowered, all the dry flowers. Oh well, what more? I will be making, or my husband will be making shelving all the way here, so we can have all the cacti, and put a frosting on the windows, so it will be exceptionally bright light, but they will not burn. And this is my aeoniums. I love these freakish ones. So what more? My aloe flowered and now it's dead. It flowered, ready. These are beautiful aeoniums from George. Beautiful aeoniums from George. Another aeonium, I love it. And this is the very interesting plant. This is Nepenthes, but Nepenthes with normal leaves. It makes that they actually can live off sun and also have beautiful bumps. And these like to be here and wet with cold. So that will be it. Love? What I do? Oh, also someone was flowering or will flower, did set the buds, is my Schlumberger, the white one. So that will be amazing. Oh gosh, yeah, working. Huh? Var? Here he is, working. Do I have too many plants?
Yes.
No. Do I have too many plants?
No.
That's a perfect answer. But look at this terrarium. Do we have any babies?
No.
No eggs?
Nope.
But look at his tillandsias. They are thriving. And this one, it's not tillandsia, it's what is it?
Bromelia, no.
Bromeliads, yeah. My bromeliads also growing. Not as good as his, but still growing. We have two babies. One over there and one over there. Here. And Matilda saying hi. Oh, here she is. Look how big she's gonna be. She's scared. Whoop. Don't be scared. Don't be scared. No, baby. Oh, she needs water in her bathtub. We'll fix that. Oh well. Why is this not focusing? Okay, now. So, thank you so much for watching. I see you. And I see you later.